Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to change the column names in Pandas. Let's get into this. So as I mentioned, we'll see how to change the column names in Pandas. Okay, so let's begin. So first we'll try to import Pandas as PD. Try to run this particular cell. We'll restart the color once so that it will be easy for us to understand the respective cell number. Okay. So I have imported Pandas as PD. Okay. Now let's try to read the CSV file. Data frame is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV. Okay, I have already uploaded one of the CSV file, employees dot CSV. So let's see, yeah, employees dot CSV. So we'll try to run this particular cell. Okay, now we'll try to explore the data frame. Okay, so here you can see the first column name is first name, and the second column name is gender, and third column name is start date, last login time, salary, bonus, senior management, and the last column name is team. Okay, so now suppose if you want to change some of the column names, suppose if I take the first name itself. Okay, so now let's see how to do. Okay, now suppose if you want to change this specific column name to some other name. Okay, so let's take an example. Data frame is equal to data frame dot rename. Okay, first we have to open the bracket, then inside we'll open a flower bracket. Okay, suppose now if I want to change this specific column name. Okay, so first we'll take an example. Okay, and now suppose if I want to change the first name as some other thing, like I will take just as a name. Okay, and now suppose if I want to change okay, we'll take it as gender only. Okay, suppose if I want to change gender as some other name, what will, okay, we'll take it as sex. Okay, so this also refers to either male or female. Okay, and after this now we are changing the names with respect to the columns. Okay, so here we'll give it as axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1 means 1 refers to the column. If you give it as 0, it refers to rows. Okay, so here I am giving it as 1, so that we are changing the names with respect to the column names. Okay, so what I am doing is I am changing the first name as name and I am changing gender as sex. Okay, so now we'll try to run this particular cell. Okay, and now let's see data frame. Okay, so now you can see the first name is changed to name, and the second column name gender is changed to sex. Okay, so as I told you, axis is equal to 1. Here you can also do it you can also give it axis is equal to columns, because as I told you, 1 refers to column and 0 refers to rows. Okay. So now let's try to run this particular cell again, and again I will try to run this. So this also will work. Here you can give either axis is equal to 1 or you can also give axis is equal to columns. Okay, so this is how you change the column names in Pandas. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.